Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play Roblox Jailbreak, and I guess I'm going to be trying to get 60k so I can show you guys the I think it's called the beam. I don't know. It's this car right here in the rewards section, but it's only 500k. So today we're going to be doing that. So let's move. No, he doesn't. I hope you guys can hear Cool Guy Films talking.
Also, we got free key cards. Makes our life a lot easier.
Do you want me to spawn a car for both of us or just me?
Both of us. Oh crap.
Well,
Dang. Well, first today we'll put it.
I'll tell him we need new keys.
Wait, are you able to get anything from the drawer?
Only if someone stores something in them. And it'll tell you if it's something stored.
Okay. So yeah, basically you have me, the noob, and CJ, the one wonder two, the pro.
Not much.
More so the pro than me, definitely. What are these random floating chairs everywhere?
I don't know, it happens.
So, I assume we're playing Prison Life, possibly, for our next episode.
Yeah.
After this.
This is only episode 1 of our jailbreak adventures. I think we just escape and get our guns at the,
But is Bumble going to try to arrest us?
probably not. I don't know. Did you see where I went?
Yeah, I'm right next to you.
He thinks he is.
He thinks he's staying with us?
Yeah. Did you get out?
No, I gotta do it real quick.
Okay, well I gotta spawn my car anyways. I can't yet.
Okay. I'm going for you.
I'll wait for you.
Oh, I'm right behind you pretty much. Finished one. But yeah, you'll see a trend of prison games.
Probably. I thought that guy behind us was a cop for a minute.
Yes, same.
Oh, the beam hybrid is what I'm trying to get today to show you guys.
Okay, so, there we go. Your car looks like Shrek, actually.
Nuke gang.
The back looks like you.
My car, though, is...
What is happening here?
My car is not enjoying driving right now. If you guys want to see us show you some glitches in the future...
What is happening? Your car just did a 360.
Yeah, I should probably get a new one.
It's like you don't have any tires on the wheels.
I barely have control over it right now.
Is this the point of the car for you to have control? Is this like a glitch?
I think it's broken right now. Okay, I know where to get a new one of these, so...
Okay.
It's probably something with my tire suspension being all the way up in the car, not wanting the tire suspension to be just that. Oh my god.
I want to see this in real life. Walking down the sidewalk and just see car flipping.
Oh!
Oh, he just got in. What is happening with this car?
Oh my god. Just gonna get in this one again.
He's trying to see.
We're just gonna live with it.
Yeah. Quit. This is terrifying. Okay, we're out.
I'm gonna get my gun in here. You go into the main garage area.
Okay. Sorry guys if my moviness annoys you. I don't really, again, like I said before, I don't really know too much.
Oh, jeez. Let's try a different car.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Like, maybe it's just that kind of car. I hope.
Hopefully. I assume different cars go at different speeds.
Yeah. You know what? Why don't we just... Oh, jeez.
Oh, is he gonna arrest us?
No, not quite sure. See, this car is bouncing a little bit. I think I'm gonna go get the Lamborghini.
He said hi. He's laying on our car.
I think we're gonna go get the Lamborghini and do a couple robberies.
He fell off the car. He's way back there.
I'm glad.
Now can't catch us. Yeah, guys, so we're at least planning on doing series and do some prison life. Don't know how long that's gonna last, but prison life's pretty limited in terms of content, so we'll cook it. Every car is doing
I'll have to look it up like in between videos.
yeah, because this is like this. Okay, he has a gun.
Well, we have about 8 minutes remaining in our first video.
As if this couldn't get any more terrifying than that man laying on the car.
He's probably scared for his life.
Probably is.
In between that and my driving skills.
Yeah.
I just have to drive around until something opens,
I
too.
realized something. Is this like the Roblox version of GTA?
I guess.
I've never really played that game, but I've seen people do it.
Oh, it's unlocked. I can drive this.
Okay.
Is it broken?
Buffalo's trying to get in.
It's not broken, I don't think.
What's happening?
We're stuck on something. I got us out.
What? We can check it. Okay. There we go. If you didn't believe CJ, the cop in the back of our plane also said it was stuck.
I promise I can drive helicopters. Is the bank open? No.
Buffalo said hi.
I'm sure he did. Well, this is very uneventful if we can't get a robbery in. Did they seriously...
His name is censored.
Okay. Okay. We can rob this, though. Come on.
Okay.
Let me make sure there's paintings left for me. You, take whatever you can find, I guess.
Okay.
One painting,
Is it pretty
6.
easy to rob this place?
Okay, so I need 4 planets. How many planets do you want me to shoot down? Save 4 for me.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have my 4. Then you can have the Earth, the Sun, this tiny blue one. Here, hold on. Wait for me to collect some of them now. Yo, they disappearing.
They are.
Well, this is gonna be a very unsuccessful robbery, I guess.
We hope. I'm so used to Minecraft controls and where the jump button is, I accidentally crouched on the robot.
I only got 5 kilograms. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty hurt.
Man, they robbed everything, yeah.
Yeah, not much left. Nothing left. Place. Okay, wait, I'm getting it. I'm at the back of the
About 4 minutes left.
okay. So, more or less, each video is going to be like 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
What is happening? Oh,
Fail. Fail.
Wait, what's happening right now?
I bailed.
The plane just crashed. The helicopter just crashed on the ground. I have no idea where I am.
I'll come pick you up. You didn't get anything from the robbery anyways. Well, the camera seemed to work.
I can spawn a Camaro.
Go ahead. No. This is torturous. Don't go into the lava. Oh, it was Bumble's fault. He got on the rope.
Yeah, he's like stuck.
Yeah, well, that's his fault. He can be stuck there.
Yeah, he can't get out. I tried to get him out, but I don't know that. So I just drove away as fast as I could.
Yep, the Lambo's still crappy for me.
I'm driving away in the Camaro while he's stuck to a helicopter.
Camaro's like the only vehicle that's actually being decent for me. But I mean, a level 5 engine can fix almost anything.
What are we gonna do with Bumble? He's completely stuck. He can't get off.
That's his fault. He can do what he wants. I'm going to the bank for like the last minute.
Okay. So, I mean, not too much action packed. Pretty depressing day, maybe you'd say.
It's been a pretty depressing jailbreak video, to be honest. Like,
It was fun though.
it was fun, but
Didn't get as much.
with the vehicles doing what they're doing right now for me.
It is somewhat amusing seeing them jiggle around doing nothing. Not very effective.
Well, this appears to be nearly done.
So,
We've got a remaining about 10 seconds because I used Screencast-O-Matic. So,
wait, you have like face recording?
yeah. Okay, it's been a nice video. See you next time, guys.